Hey guys, Trader George Frio here. But today we are not going to be trading. Today I want to introduce you all to my Facebook group. It's a group page, a group actually on Facebook. As you can see, Trader George Frio. I created it just to help people gain more trading experience or trading knowledge. When you come to the group, it's an open group, it's a public group, so you can just go type any question. Guys, don't be left out. Don't be left out at all. Don't. All these you're seeing are real wins. People are making money every minute. Don't be left out, okay? Right there, post it. I will approve it and answer your questions, anything trade related. And apart from me giving you answers, there's so many other people who are going to give you a few tips as well, no matter how minute your questions are, even as minute as this. Never mind, just bring it online to Facebook. The link of the Facebook group will be down at the description. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel. There is no reason why you shouldn't make enough money this year. There is no reason why.